A little bit of house management here. In our project, we have 40 folders inside Edu, so all the projects here. I'd like to build them, and which ones? I would like a script, to only build the TWMs and push them online with Nemesis repo. This should be enough, right? With this sentence, off it goes. So I've made some changes. Awesome, BSPWM, this one, that one, all good, all good. You should skip all that, and that one, that's the last one. Eh? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Build all TWM packages is ready, and it's going to awesome and 6. I counted 1. Should be 7. Ah, yeah, I did not count my own one, right? This one is my own. So 1, 2, 3, 6, and that one. What is he going to do? Is going to go inside those folders. He's gonna build it. He's gonna build it, and he's gonna publish it. Done. How long did this take? 1 hour and 47 seconds.